Welcome to this in-depth review of Bondster, an online real estate investment platform that allows you to invest in real estate projects with minimal capital. Whether you're new to real estate investing or have some experience, Bondster promises to make it easier for you to diversify your portfolio. Let's dive into the platform and see how it stacks up. When you first sign up for Bondster, you'll notice that the website is user-friendly, with a clean and modern interface. You can easily browse through different investment opportunities, each with detailed information about the project, the expected returns, and the risk factors. The platform connects individual investors with real estate projects, primarily in the form of loans to real estate developers or investors. One of the standout features of Bondster is its diverse range of investment options. You can choose from projects in residential and commercial real estate, with varying risk levels and expected returns. The platform also provides opportunities for both short-term and long-term investments, depending on your financial goals. Navigating the platform is fairly simple. You can filter projects by type, return rate, and project duration. Bondster's project details are transparent, offering in-depth data on the projects, including the loan terms, interest rates, and collateral backing. This transparency is crucial for investors looking for clarity before committing their money. Another positive aspect of Bondster is the secondary market, which allows investors to sell their investments before the loan term ends, providing liquidity that you don't typically get with other real estate investments. Now, let's talk about the risks. Like any investment, there are risks involved, and with real estate crowdfunding, those risks can be amplified. While Bondster offers a variety of projects, you should be aware of the potential for default or delayed repayments. Always do your due diligence and evaluate each investment thoroughly. Before we move on, if you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check them out after watching. In terms of fees, Bondster operates on a relatively low fee structure compared to some other platforms. There are no fees for investing, and the platform makes its money by taking a small commission from the loan repayments. This keeps things cost-effective for users, especially if you're planning to make multiple investments. The user interface is intuitive, and there's a helpful FAQ section to guide you through the process. Bondster also offers customer support via email and chat, making it easy to get assistance if you encounter any issues. Overall, Bondster offers an appealing platform for real estate investors who are looking to diversify their portfolios without needing a large upfront investment. With its range of projects, transparent information, and user-friendly design, it can be a solid choice for those interested in real estate crowdfunding. However, as with all investments, make sure to assess the risks and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and investment tips. Thanks for watching.